Imagine turning your smartphone into a financial expert that is always at your service, helping you save, invest, and grow your money. What if I told you that you could start improving your finances with just a few tasks? No experience needed? Sounds like futuristic, right? That future is here, and AI is leading the charge. In this video, I will show you how to harness the power of AI to take control of your budget, start investing, improve your credit score, and even navigate the crypto space like a pro. All with the tools you can start using today. Let's dive in. Hi champions, to my returning viewers, welcome back to the channel where we learn, earn, and grow together. And to you, if you're just meeting me for the first time, I am the Zion. My mission is to help you build a profitable online business while mastering personal finance. If that sounds like something you love, well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Now, let's face it, budgeting can really feel overwhelming. From tracking every transaction to balancing bills, like it's a whole lot to juggle. But what if you had a virtual assistant to do the heavy lifting for you? That's exactly what AI-powered budgeting tools offer. These apps don't just crunch numbers, they analyze your spending habits and give you actionable insights to save more and stress less. Let's start with the Clio app. This sassy budgeting app right here is more than just numbers and graphs. It's like having a funny, honest friend in your pocket. Clio analyzes your spending and highlights where you are overspending and even challenges you to save with fun daily tasks. Imagine your financial expert, which is your AI, telling you no more avocado toast this week. You are $50 closer to your goals. Now with the Clio app, budgeting feels like a show and much more like a game. Another great option is PocketSmith. If you are a visual thinker, this tool takes your financial data and creates detailed projections for you. Whether it's saving for a big trip or clearing debt faster, with PocketSmith, you get a clear roadmap for your money, showing how even small changes can make a very big difference. Now let's talk about investing. Many people think they need thousands of dollars or years of expertise to start investing. That may be true in the past, but not anymore, thanks to AI. Whether you're starting with $10 or just spare change from your daily coffee runs, you can definitely start investing. Accounts is an excellent starting point. What this Accounts AI app does is that it takes your spare change from your everyday purchases and invests it for you. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.75, Accounts rounds it up to $3 and puts the 0.25 cents into a diversified portfolio. Over time, these small amounts add up, and many users report building portfolios with over $5,000 to $10,000 in their very first year, without even knowing that they are actually saving this money. And if you're looking for community-driven investing, you need to check out Public app. This app combines social media with investing, allowing you to follow other investors, see their trades, and learn from their strategies. It's very perfect for beginners who want to grow their confidence while staying engaged in the process. Now, imagine getting insights from someone investing in Tesla or Bitcoin and applying those same lessons to your portfolio. Think about it. There are ways in which you can build your credit score with AI as well. Of course, by now you should know that your credit score is like a report card for your financial health, and improving it used to be a mastery, but now AI tools are making the process very transparent and simple. It's a game changer for managing credit card debt. It uses AI to determine the most efficient ways to pay off your cards. It also consolidates your payments and minimizes interest fees. Now imagine saving and stacking up hundreds of dollars each year. And if you're looking for an instant boost, like a very instant boost, the Experian Boost app is a must try for you. This tool adds your utility and phone payment to your credit score, which increases your score in minutes. This is like getting rewarded for bills you're already paying. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. For many, the crypto world feels like a wild west. Exciting but very overwhelming. AI tools can help you navigate this space very confidently, and you won't even feel like you're doing anything. Start with CoinStats. This app synchronizes all your crypto wallets and exchanges into one dashboard, making it very easy to track all your investments in one place. Now, whether you are holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or smaller altcoins like Stellar, CoinStats ensures that you are always in the loop about your portfolio's performance. If you're interested in trading, BitGap is a very powerful AI tool. It actually automates your trading by analyzing the market trends and executing strategies to maximize your profit. Whether you are awake or asleep, BitGap works 24/7 to help you capitalize on opportunities. So whether you know how to trade the crypto space or not, you can go to sleep and allow with BitGap AI app takes care of your trades because it analyzes the crypto market from start to finish 24/7. Now you may be asking, why should you consider AI as your financial ally? From budgeting to investing, boosting credit score, and navigating crypto, AI tools are revolutionizing personal finance. And the best part about this is that these tools are designed to meet you where you are. Whether you are rich or poor, these tools are going to meet you where you are. Whether you are starting with $1 or $10,000, champions, the future of finance isn't just coming, it's right here already. And it's accessible to everyone. Which AI tools are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more actionable tips on mastering your finances. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and keep growing.
Where silence meets the soul, a whisper softly speaks.